Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming two essentials: an active Airtel data plan and a Jio Hotspot ready to accept connections. Insert the Airtel SIM into your secondary device if needed, or prepare the phone that will use Airtel data to connect. Once done, turn on the Jio Hotspot and verify its SSID and password. This is how you will join. Make sure both devices have Wi-Fi enabled. Without Wi-Fi on the Airtel device, you cannot join the Jio Hotspot. Now you connect the Airtel device to the Jio Hotspot. Open Wi-Fi settings, select the Jio SSID, and enter the hotspot password. Once connected, check that the device receives an IP and shows good signal. This confirms link level success. If you are tethering or using a phone as intermediary, make sure the Airtel APN is correct so apps can reach the internet. If some apps fail, try toggling airplane mode briefly to refresh network stacks, and finish by testing real traffic. Load a web page and stream a short video to confirm bandwidth and latency are acceptable. If pages fail or speeds are poor, restart both the Jio Hotspot and the Airtel device to clear caches and renegotiate connections. Make sure the hotspot band is compatible. Switch to 2.4 GHz if 5 GHz causes dropouts. One key troubleshooting tip: if you still can't access the internet, check the Airtel SIM's data balance and APN settings. Lack of data or wrong APN is the most common cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.